Oh, I'm gonna have to take this outside and give it a test. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this fog machine that changes colors. The fog solution does not come with it, but the fog machine changes colors, comes with the remote, comes with the plug, comes with some instructions. I'm gonna fill this thing up, take it outside, and see what it does. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. On the back of the machine here, there's a power button, and then there's an indicator light. When this lights up, it's ready to go. While we're waiting for that to happen, I don't know if you can see it, it's a little dark out here. It's got this handle here. I mean, this is the handle, but then it's got this that you can actually use to mount it. So if you wanted to hang it up somewhere, you could totally do that. As soon as this is ready, I'm gonna shut some lights off and show you what it does. All right, the indicator light is on. Let me turn some lights off. Okay, I turned off all the lights that I could. Ooh, okay, it's running. Oh, that's crazy how much light that puts off. So there's red. Whoa! Okay, the green is the coolest. The coolest. How cool is this? There's blue, yellow. Oh my gosh. There is so many colors. Ooh, aqua. Look at all the colors on this. Oh, and that must be the off color. Okay. Okay, let me see what else I can get it to do. Oh, there's one to make the colors change. How fun is that? Look at how much it's putting out. What's this one do? Another color change. That's a little bit more of a rapidy color change. You can see it like puts fog out and then stops for a second. It's completely normal. Here, we'll shut that light off. Now it's just the lasery light. Yeah. This is a win. This is going to be so much fun for Halloween. I love it. If you're looking for an awesome fog machine with a lot of lights and a lot of options and everything's controlled by the remote, definitely recommend this. Way too cool. Look at it. It's so cool. Totally recommend this. This is a win.